What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I want to make a video about a fidget spinner, because one of these. So I got one of these yesterday, and it was like really good as new, obviously, because it was new. And look, it's been really nice like this. But then a few hours ago, I broke it, so it could only go like this. And slowly stop. And it was really rough. It was like weird. I don't know how it happened, but it was like, I don't know what happened, but it just wouldn't go as normal. So now I put oil on it. So people say that you put like this W40, I don't know what it's called, but that's oil stuff that you put on, and like an air compressor. I just put olive oil, just sprayed it right there and around it, and yeah, it's just good as new now. Fine. And it's making a bit of a loud noise. I don't know if you can hear that. So I don't think it's completely good as new, but it's better than it was at. So what I'm trying to say to you is put some kind of oil. I don't recommend using olive oil because that's what I use. And I don't know if that's even good for it. So don't use olive oil. Because, actually no. Try olive oil, but I don't think it's good. But I used olive oil and now mine's fine, but I don't think it's actually good for the spinner, so I wouldn't like do this in future. But like, it seems fine, so try olive oil. If not, use some kind of other oil, but oil will definitely fix this, definitely, or hopefully. I don't know how to take these off because I've only got this yesterday. All my friends have these, and now I have one. So I want to get a new one because this one isn't 100% perfect, but still good. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the Alfies. Peace.